Welcome to our Professional SOLIDWORKS course, where you will learn SOLIDWORKS from the Associate Basic level to the Professional level, CSWP. My name is Taysir, and I will be leading you through the course. I started my career as a mechanical engineer with interest in product design and human-centered innovation. For the last 8 years, I have been using SOLIDWORKS to design and draft new products, concepts, and virtual machines for training purposes. Those included fields like oil and gas, medical, and consumer products. We designed this course for anyone wanting to get his or her SOLIDWORKS skills to the next level, meaning going from the Associate Basic level to a Certified Professional level, CSWP. By the end of the course, you will be able to use SOLIDWORKS to model complex shapes following best practices, which we will learn together in this course. You will also have all the skills needed to take the SOLIDWORKS Professional Certification Test. We will be using the learning by doing approach to teach this course. So whenever we introduce a new concept, we will use it to create or build something with it. This could be a part or an assembly. We will be walking you through step by step to make sure you understand new concepts. We will also leave you with exercises to polish and reinforce your skills. The ideal student for this course is anyone wanting to get his or her SOLIDWORKS skills to the next level. Those could be engineers, designers, makers, or hobbyists. This course is a continuation for our previous best-selling SOLIDWORKS course, Become a Certified Associate Today. So you will need some previous basic SOLIDWORKS exposure to get the most benefits out of this course. Most importantly though, you will need to be ready to learn. So feel free to look through the course description, and we look forward to seeing you inside. That's it, right? See you in the course.